So we are back on another day. So this is actually the next day from when yesterday I put the clutch in, and there's no engine in the garage because I have moved it down to the carport. And it is here now, and one thing I gotta say is I don't know where my brother got this trolley from, but it's like the best trolley ever. I feel like it's like one of them Amazon picking carts, and I'm just putting an engine in here and just casually going. So I put the clutch and stuff on yesterday, that's all ready to go, and I am now gonna attempt putting the gearbox on. Once the gearbox is on, I'm gonna basically pick the engine up and throw it back in the car, because realistically everything is done on it. Now when I say realistically, I know it's missing its inlet manifold and stuff like that, but I don't want to put that on until it's back in the car, because I've just freshly painted everything. Last thing I want to do is scratch it, so I'll wait till the engine's back in the car before putting the inlet mani on, because it's like a 5-minute job, and then start connecting everything back up really and see how far we get. Hey guys, so quick update. Yeah, this is going to be a quick update. Now I forgot to press record obviously when we were putting the engine in, but the engine is in the car all fully bolted up, and I've started putting some of the wiring back on. So now I may not just go do the rest of the stuff, so I'm going to put my inlet mani on, I'm going to connect the rest of my electrics, do water pipes, do power steering. I did accidentally break my power steering reservoir, so I've messaged a few mates to see if they've got parts, and I'll be honest, there's like, I just got to get it put back together. I've just got to get it be in a car again, so that's the focus. So test. Alright, so it's been quite a while since I give you guys an update. I've actually done quite a lot to it. So I've actually done quite a lot to the car. Now, last footage was me putting the inlet on, but I've basically gone ahead and connected pretty much everything else now. So everything underneath's done, all of the shift cables, wiring, power steering pumps, you know, turbo pipes, they're all getting there. I mean, I just gotta work on the car and basically just finish it off. But I've got Reese helping me. He's my second pair of hands for today. We're just gonna crack on and get as much stuff bolted on as possible. So let's go. Alright, just to give you an update about what's actually going on. So I've topped the engine up with oil and I'm going to try and start it and see if the engine's okay, because I can start putting the front end on and doing all that stuff, but what's the point if the engine doesn't start? So this is a little tester. We're going to start it. If it turns on, sounds okay, wicked, I can carry on and crack on. Then I know I can go and tweak it later on. So let's see what happens. It works. So it's taken about 2 days, but the S3 is back together and it looks like a car again. Now everything is kind of in. I need to get another oil riser. So if anyone's got one, hit me up in the comments. But everything's looking really nice. It's all good. The logo looks insane on the inlet manifold. I've just got to top up the fluids, run it in, make sure the fans are running, and then there's my new slimline fans. And then just get it running basically. I've still got to do prop shaft, I need to tighten it, and I still need to make a decat pipe for it, so I think I'll probably start doing that stuff now. But the rest of the car is back together and I am really happy. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna fabricate a new decat for the S3. So I changed the downpipe for a Pipeworks one, so I got this used, and this one doesn't knock on the tunnel, and I've seen it from underneath and there's actually a really big difference compared to my cheap eBay one. So but this needs a few little mods to make it fit my Miltech exhaust system. So the plan is get this in place, check out the length, chop this flange off, and then I've got a straight connector which is also an adapter that goes down to fit my Miltech. So let's see how this goes. So finally, the S3 is now done. It's back on the road, it's driving, and it feels so nice to have my car back again. And it's actually turned out really pretty. So I did a few little extra touches in the engine bay, like the bigger air filter, new Allen key bolts on all of the little plastics, and obviously the paintwork on the pipe and the last little bits of stickers and stuff, just to give it that OEM plus theme. Now I want to just say thank you very much to everyone that's been watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you like the content, and we will have more coming for you soon.